days off so you can go home. With the negativity, with that mentality, jump on. Jealousy, my bad. Get away from me. I've been working all day. Can I catch a
Today I have another glueless wig install for my lazy girls. This one is from KissLove Hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. This kinky straight texture is so beautiful. It has a coarseness to it. Honestly, I wouldn't even straighten this hair. Even after you wash it, I would just let the hair air dry and just wear it in its natural texture because it adds to the fullness and the believability of this texture. I think y'all are really gonna love this wig. I have been obsessed with kinky straight wigs as of late. Y'all have seen a lot of kinky straight wigs on my channel, but I love doing this texture for winter because I feel like it just keeps me so nice and warm. And this length, 26 inch, looks so bomb, y'all. It literally touches my ass. I didn't do baby hairs. For those of you who do not like the baby hairs, I'm keeping y'all in mind. I love me some baby hairs, but I know not everybody likes that. If you're on the hunt for a super cute, coarse, kinky, straight lace closure wig that you can put on like this and is so easy to install, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So my wig arrived in this satin bag right here, and let's go ahead and take this baby out. Let's see if it came with any freebies. Y'all know how I feel about freebies. This wig did come with a bunch of freebies. It came with these 3D eyelashes, this rat tail comb, an eyebrow razor, and also a hair clip. It also came with an elastic melting band, an HD wig cap, and an edge brush. They got everything that you need for your install right here, y'all. And then the wig came in this plastic bag right here, and it also had a wig net around it. So here is the natural texture of the hair. As you can see, this is a kinky straight texture, y'all. Look at this. Get into this texture. Here is a close-up of the closure. It is a 6 by 4.5 inch HD lace closure. It has bye-bye knots, which just means that the knots are bleached. It also has a pre-plucked hairline, and as you can see, that excess lace has already been removed, so it is a pre-cut lace wig as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take out everything from inside the wig so I can show you the inside cap construction. Here is the inside of the wig's cap construction. Here is the HD lace closure. We also have this elastic adjustable strap, and it does have a silicone grip right here, so it can be a completely glueless install. It also has adjustable straps back here if you would like to tighten the wig further. I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig without applying my foundation under the lace. It's something new that I have been doing just to kind of test to see if I need to apply foundation under the lace of my wigs. Some wigs do need foundation underneath the lace to really blend it, but not every single wig. I'm going to try out this wig first just to see if I need to add my foundation. So let's go ahead and install the wig. So I'm gonna install the silicone elastic band around my head first, y'all. And once that's secure, we're gonna go ahead and pull the wig back. So before I pull the wig up, I'm going to fix my wig cap. I don't have my hair braided underneath, so the wig cap did slip back a bit, but it's not a big deal. And then we're gonna pull this forward. It's nice and tight and secure on my head. As you can see, the lace, you can see the color on my hairline. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put my foundation under the lace. I'm gonna use my NARS foundation, and I'll be right back, y'all. So I added my foundation under the lace. Now let's go ahead and see what things are looking like. This wig is nice and secure, y'all. It is ready to go and wear. So here is what the lace is looking like now. To me, that looks like it is growing out of my scalp now instead of like a light grayish type color. So that's just what I like to do to make my wigs look really nice. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs on this wig. I am going to make sure that the middle of the wig is lined up with the middle of my nose. And I'm gonna make it go back just a little bit longer so we can get the full parting space. Then I'm gonna take my ebon wax stick and go around this entire parting area to get it nice and flat. I'm also gonna take this olive oil spritz and spray it around my parting area as well. Y'all already know my combo that I do to get my wigs nice and flat. Ooh. You might feel it sizzle a little bit, but that's how we get our wigs nice and laid. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. And don't be afraid to use the back of that hot comb if you need to. She is nice and flat up top, y'all. Normally I go over my kinky straight hair with a straightener, but the texture of this hair is so nice, I don't even want to use a straightener on it. It has this nice like coarseness to it that I think really adds to the volume and the texture of this hair. So we're gonna keep it just like this. So you can literally wear this wig straight out of the box. You don't have to do baby hairs on this wig if you don't want to. You can literally put it on and go. Like, it is completely glueless, y'all. If you're interested in checking out this wig from KissLove Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for y'all, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. And if you have not already checked out my last makeup video, I posted a dark brown smoky eye that is perfect for the holiday season. I'm telling you, it's so easy, but it looks so stunning. If you're interested in checking that out, definitely click the box right here to go watch that next.